Look up at the night sky, a tapestry of countless stars, each a potential destination. Every point of light is a sun, perhaps with its own family of planets waiting to be discovered. The universe above us is vast, mysterious, and full of promise. For centuries, these distant lights were objects of myth. Ancient civilizations wove stories and legends around them, imagining gods, heroes, and monsters among the stars. The night sky was both a map and a mystery, inspiring wonder and curiosity in every culture. Now we know they are worlds waiting to be explored. With the invention of telescopes, our understanding grew, and the stars became places we could study, not just dream about. Among them, Proxima Centauri stands out, not for its brightness, but for its proximity. It's a tiny, faint point in the sky, easily overlooked, yet it holds a special place in our cosmic neighborhood. Invisible to the naked eye, this faint red dwarf is our sun's closest stellar neighbor, just 4.2 light-years away. In the grand scale of the universe, that's astonishingly close, almost within reach. In cosmic terms, that's next door. If the Milky Way were a city, Proxima Centauri would be the house just down the street from our own. Proxima Centauri is a small, cool, and temperamental star, the most common type in our galaxy. Red dwarfs like Proxima are known for their unpredictable flares and long lifespans, making them fascinating objects of study. For years, we wondered if such stars could host planets. Could life exist around these dim, flickering suns? The question drove astronomers to search for answers. In 2016, astronomers detected a subtle wobble in Proxima's light, a sign of a planet tugging at its star. This tiny shift in starlight was the first clue that something extraordinary was orbiting nearby. We had found a world, Proxima B, right on our cosmic doorstep. This rocky planet orbits within the star's habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. This discovery electrified the scientific community. Proximity matters. For the first time, we had a potentially habitable planet so close that we could imagine visiting it, or at least studying it in detail. Being close means we can study this system in unprecedented detail. Every new observation brings us closer to understanding what Proxima B is really like. Light and signals from Proxima Centauri reach us in just a few years, not centuries. This makes it an ideal target for future missions and communication attempts. It's a natural laboratory for studying worlds beyond our own. Here we can test our theories about planet formation, atmospheres, and the potential for life. Proxima B is the first place we'd want to visit if interstellar travel becomes possible. It's the logical first step in humanity's journey beyond the solar system. The discovery wasn't just another data point, it was a profound moment. It changed our perspective on our place in the universe and what might be possible. It proved that planets aren't unique to stars like our sun. They're everywhere, even around the smallest stars. The universe is teeming with worlds, each with its own story. Suddenly, the universe seemed less lonely. The discovery of Proxima B gave us hope that we might not be alone after all. Billions of new possibilities for life opened up. Each new planet we find is another chance for life to exist somewhere out there. The faint glow of Proxima Centauri became a beacon, a signpost to our future in the galaxy. It calls to us, inviting us to reach further than ever before. The journey to answer the age-old question, are we alone, begins here. With every discovery, we take another step toward understanding our place in the cosmos. Proxima Centauri is more than a star, it's our invitation to explore. The adventure starts now, and the universe awaits our arrival. What do we know about Proxima B? This mysterious world, orbiting the star closest to our own sun, has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. It's a rocky planet, slightly more massive than Earth, orbiting in the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. This makes it one of the most intriguing exoplanets ever discovered, and a potential home for life beyond our solar system. This Goldilocks zone is not too hot, not too cold, just right for life as we know it. It's a delicate balance, and Proxima B sits right in that sweet spot. Proxima B completes an orbit in just 11 Earth days, hugging its dim red star much closer than Mercury orbits our sun. Its year is barely more than a week long. Because Proxima Centauri is cooler and fainter, this close orbit puts Proxima B in the temperate zone. The planet receives just enough warmth to potentially support water and maybe life. Too far, and it's a frozen wasteland. Too close, and water would boil away. The margin for habitability is razor thin. The possibility of liquid water so close to us is tantalizing. It raises the question, could there be life just next door in cosmic terms? Proxima B is no longer just a curiosity, it's a prime candidate in our search for life. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding its true nature. Imagine a world with a red sun looming large in the sky, alien oceans, and uncharted continents. The landscape could be both familiar and utterly strange. This is no longer science fiction, it's a real scientific possibility. The line between imagination and reality is blurring as we learn more. But being in the habitable zone is only the first step. There are many more mysteries to unravel before we can call Proxima B a second Earth. Does Proxima B have an atmosphere, a magnetic field, the right chemistry? These factors are crucial for life to survive and thrive. These are the questions driving our research. Each answer brings new challenges and new hope. Proxima B gives us a tangible target, a destination for our most powerful instruments and our biggest questions. It's a beacon for future exploration. The search for life just got personal. Proxima B is a reminder that the universe may be more alive and more surprising than we ever imagined. Proxima B's home is anything but peaceful. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri unleash powerful stellar flares, bursts of energy far stronger than our sun's. For a planet orbiting so close, this means constant bombardment by X-rays and ultraviolet radiation. Such flares could strip away an atmosphere, sterilize the surface, and destroy complex molecules. The very star that warms Proxima B could also be its greatest threat. There's another challenge: tidal locking. One side of Proxima B likely faces eternal day, the other endless night. This creates extreme temperature differences, scorching heat on one side, deep freeze on the other. These harsh conditions make habitability a challenge. Life here would need to be incredibly resilient, adapted to extremes we can barely imagine. Proxima B reminds us the universe is not always gentle. Where could life hide on Proxima B? On Earth, life thrives in extreme places. Deep oceans, boiling springs, frozen ice. On Proxima B, life might survive underground or beneath a thick ocean shielded from radiation. Another possibility, the Terminator line, the twilight zone between day and night. Here, temperatures could be just right for liquid water. Life might adapt to perpetual sunset, evolving in ways we can only imagine. These possibilities force us to expand our definition of habitability. Even the harshest worlds may have hidden oases. How do we search for life on Proxima B from across the void? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, an infrared observatory built to study distant worlds. Webb can analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets as they transit their stars, searching for chemical fingerprints. We're looking for biosignatures, gases like oxygen or methane that hint at life. Detecting these signals is incredibly difficult, but Webb was built for this challenge. Every photon it collects brings us closer to an answer. If we find the right mix of gases, it could be the strongest evidence yet that we're not alone. Webb's gaze on Proxima B is one of the most exciting astronomical quests of our time. The search for life is no longer a dream, it's happening now. The discovery of Proxima B and thousands of other exoplanets has transformed our view of the universe. Suddenly the cosmos feels more alive, more dynamic, and far less lonely than we once imagined. For most of history we knew only our own solar system. Our ancestors gazed at the night sky, unaware that other worlds might exist beyond the faint pinpricks of light. Now, we know planets are everywhere, hot Jupiters, super-Earths, and even worlds orbiting two suns, each with its own unique story and environment. Almost every star in the night sky likely has planets. The universe is teeming with possibilities, each star a potential solar system. This new reality changes the odds for life. The sheer number of planets means the chances for life elsewhere are far greater than we once believed. With billions of planets in our galaxy, it seems unlikely that life arose only once. The universe may be brimming with life, waiting to be discovered. Proxima B is the poster child for this new perspective, a symbol of the countless worlds that might harbor life. It shows that a potential habitat for life exists at the very first star beyond our sun. The search for life is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible scientific quest. Like Copernicus and Hubble before, this discovery expands our understanding of the universe's true scale. Each breakthrough pushes the boundaries of what we know. We are no longer unique, we are part of a vast cosmic archipelago, one world among countless others scattered across the galaxy. The search for exoplanets is the next great leap in our journey. Each discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? We are citizens of a universe filled with worlds waiting to be explored, and our adventure is only just beginning. The quest for life beyond Earth is more than science, it's a human story. It speaks to our curiosity, our drive to explore, and our longing to know if we're alone. Today, we have the tools to search for answers. This search unites us, transcending borders and differences. The discovery of life elsewhere would be a moment for all humanity, a reminder of our shared identity. Even if Proxima B is barren, the search itself is noble. It pushes our technology, inspires new generations, and deepens our understanding. Ultimately, the search for life is a search for ourselves. We are the universe made conscious, just beginning to explore our place in the cosmos. The stars are calling, and we are listening.